Daisy and the Pearl of Peace. In the deep blue sea, Daisy, our baby dolphin, loved to explore and play with her ocean friends. But one day, something felt different. The ocean was usually full of laughter. But now her friends were arguing. Coral the crab wanted to keep all the shiny shells for herself. Fin the fish wasn't sharing his seaweed snacks. And even Shelly the turtle refused to play tag. The ocean didn't feel as peaceful as it used to. Daisy felt unhappy. She didn't like the place around her. Daisy swam to meet her wise friend, Luna the octopus. "Why is everyone fighting?" Daisy asked, her big eyes full of worry. She hoped her friend could give her some advice. Luna smiled kindly and said, "Sometimes we forget how important it is to listen and share. But there's something that can help. It's called the Pearl of Peace. It's said that whoever finds this pearl will learn the secret of bringing harmony to the ocean." Determined to help her friends, Daisy set off on an adventure with Toby to find the Pearl of Peace. She swam through coral reefs, past colorful fish, and into the deepest parts of the ocean. Along the way, she met a friendly sea star named Starry, who guided her to the hidden cave where the pearl was kept. Finally, Daisy and her friends found the shimmering shell, holding the Pearl of Peace. As they got closer, the shiny shell slowly opened. "Wow, there's a Pearl of Peace," Daisy whispered. When she reached out to grab it, something magical happened. The pearl changed color and began to speak. The Pearl of Peace already knew why Daisy had come. But instead of giving her magic powers, the pearl spoke softly. "Peace doesn't come from me. It comes from kindness, listening, and sharing." Daisy smiled, realizing what she needed to do. She swam back to her friends. She gathered them together. "We don't need a pearl to have peace," she said. "We just need to listen to each other, share what we have, and remember how much fun we have when we're together." Her friends nodded, understanding what Daisy meant. Coral gave some of her shiny shells to the others. Fin shared his seaweed snacks. And Shelly invited everyone to play a new game. Soon, the ocean was full of laughter again. And Daisy knew that peace had returned, not because of a magical pearl, but because of the love and kindness they shared. The end. Thank you for watching this video.